guys, this is Minsha Kapoor and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to film this video because I have a whole new camera. Yes, I got a Canon 700D and I also got a tripod with it. So all those photographers out there, do leave a comment down below with tips on how to make amazing videos and how do I learn to use this camera because I'm still figuring out. So for today's video, I am going to review some of the top MAC makeup products. So जब मैंने makeup start किया था, we used to just have Lakme, Maybelline, Revlon. I mean, those are some amazing brands. But now MAC is on the top of the game. So I have got a few top rated MAC products and I am going to create a very simple, soft look makeup look for you all. Now this is my first ever makeup look on my YouTube channel using all the MAC products, so let me know how it was. I'm starting with a clear face. I have properly moisturized my skin and I'm going to use this MAC Face and Body Foundation. Now this one is priced at rupees 2700, but this is a huge bottle. It is going to last you a very long time. I usually tap the foundation on my face and then I use a huge face brush to just rub the entire foundation on my skin. I just love how this foundation does not make my face become cakey or dry, and it covers all the pores. Next, I'm going to set the foundation using this MAC Studio Fix Compact. Now, this is one of my favorite products from the entire MAC range, and if you are a beginner and you just want to try out any one particular MAC product, I really suggest this. This basically does the work of both a foundation and a compact powder. It leaves my skin glowing even after 6 to 7 hours of applying the compact. Next is a very interesting product from MAC. It's their Hottie and Naughty Lash Mascara. This mascara is priced at rupees 2200, and the best part is that it comes with two different size of wands. One for your upper lashes and another one for your lower lashes. Now I have noticed that this mascara does not leave any lumps on your eyelashes, even though it is not very lengthening, but it gives a very full and dark look to your eyelashes. Now I'm using this lovely gem from MAC. This is their golden shimmer eyeshadow and I love using it in different ways. Let me just show you how the shimmer looks on the back of my hand. This eyeshadow is perfect when you are having a full glam look for any party or wedding, or when you just want a settled glow for your everyday wear. Now I also use this as a highlighter, and I'm just putting some of it on my fingers and applying it on the inner corner of my eyes to give it a bright waking up look. I'm also using this as a highlighter on my cheekbones and just a little on the tip of my nose. Now to complete this look, I'm using the very famous M.A.C nude lipstick. Look at the beautiful peachy glossy nude color. The application is so smooth. If you want a brighter looking look, you can go for this M.A.C red lip gloss. This is a really bright cherry red color, and personally I'm not a big fan of it, but it just lightens and brightens your entire face. And that is the complete look, guys. I mean, the products are really good in their quality and they just give you a very subtle and glowing finish. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a huge like, and guys, you have to subscribe to my channel. I mean, this year is going to be a bomb year for my YouTube. I'm going to completely give my time to it. So hit the subscribe button and I will see you next time.